All right, let's talk about digital marketing in our beloved Toronto. You know, in this melting pot of cultures, it's not just about the slapping together some fancy graphics and catchy phrases. Nope. It's about understanding the vibe of the city and speaking the language. I mean, literally. So picture this, you're cruising through the city, and every corner seems to have its own flavor, right? From the spicy hustle of Chinatown to the laid back vibes of Little Portugal, Toronto got it all. And when it comes to advertising, each neighborhood has its own lingo and style. That's why it's crucial to get into the groove of each community you're targeting. Now, language is a funny thing here. We've got folks who speak several languages, so you better believe that what sounds cool in one hood might not fly in another. Those quirky saying and slang terms that make Toronto so unique, yeah, you gotta get them right if you want to connect with the locals. But it's not just about words, it's about tapping into the heart of each culture. You gotta know what makes people think, what gets them excited, and what's a big no no. Trust me, nothing kills a vibe faster than an ad that's tone deaf to cultural sensitivities. And let's not forget about personalization. Toronto's city where everyone's got their own thing going on, right? So why not tailor your ads to fit their vibe? Whether it's serving up ads in different languages or tweaking the content to match their interests, showing that you get what makes each person tick goes a long way. Now, sure, technology is great and all. We've got fancy tools that can translate the stuff faster than you can say multilingual marketing. But let's not forget the human touch. Sometimes you just got to talk to people who know the scene, who can give you the inside scoop on what's hot and what's not. Doing digital advertising is like throwing a killer party. You gotta know your crowd, speak their language, and make sure everyone feels like they belong. Get it right, and you'll have folks lining up to join the fun. Get it wrong, and well, let's just say you'll be the one left standing awkwardly by the punch bowl. Until next time, have a good one. Maria Johnsen is signing out.